Good morning, class 9th. Today we solve exercise 13.8. ये exercise related है spheres. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of a sphere. आपने क्या formula use करना है? V is equals to 4/3 pi r cube, r radius of a sphere. Now solve first question. Find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. तो r is equals to 7 centimeter. Use formula 4/3 pi 22/7 r cube, 7 into 7. And similarly you solve second question when r is equals to 0.63 meter. First part, r is equals to 7. Use formula 4/3 pi r cube. Find out the value of volume. Unit of volume is centimeter cube. Second part, r is equals to 0.63. Use formula 4/3 pi r cube and find out the volume of a sphere. Now next part, next question. Find the amount of water. Amount of water means you find the volume displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter is given. 2r is equals to 28 centimeter. It means in this question a spherical ball of diameter is given and you find the volume of water displaced by solid spherical ball. It means you find the volume. 2r is given, then r is equals to 14 centimeter. Second part, volume of water displaced is equals to volume of a sphere. 4/3 pi r cube. In this question diameter is given. Diameter is equals to 14. Use the formula and find out the volume. In next part, d is equals to 0.21 meter. Find out the r, then find volume of the sphere. Now third question. The diameter of metallic ball. Diameter of metallic ball given है 2r. What is the mass of the ball? This question is different. In this question we find the mass. It means m is equals to question mark. If second thing is also given, if the density of the metal is given. Use one formula. Density is equals to mass upon volume. Question is clear. Diameter is given and density is given. You find the mass. 2r given, density given, and you find the m. Question number third. Use the formula. Density is equals to mass upon volume. Learn this formula also. Density is equals to mass upon volume. Then mass is equals to density is into volume. Density is given. You find first volume of the metallic ball. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मेटालिक बॉल 4/3 pi r क्यूब. जो भी वॉल्यूम निकल के आएगा देन इट मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेंसिटी, देन यू फाइंड द मास. बिकॉज 8.9 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, डेंसिटी ऑफ 1 centimeter cube is equals to 8.9. Then total volume is equals to 38.808 centimeter cube. Then mass is equals to volume into density. Now question number 4. ये क्वेश्चन हमने प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज पे भी सॉल्व किया. वहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन किससे रिलेटेड था? सरफेस एरिया. द डायमीटर ऑफ मून इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1/4 ऑफ डायमीटर ऑफ अर्थ. तो आप किसका डायमीटर सपोज करेंगे? अर्थ का. And diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. It is clear. Second is, what fraction of volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? It means आपने क्या find करना है? Ratio of the volume of moon and ratio volume of earth. What fraction of the volume of earth is the volume of moon? यानी कि earth का कितना fraction जो है वो किसका volume है? Volume of moon. It means you find the volume of moon upon वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ. यहाँ से कोई वैल्यू निकल के आएगी. देन वॉल्यूम ऑफ मून इज इक्वल्स टू जो भी वैल्यू निकल के आती है इनटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ अर्थ. तो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द मून एंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ द अर्थ. और जो भी क्वेश्चन पे हमने रेशियो फाइंड करना है या फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करना है उस पर हम कैलकुलेशन कहाँ करते हैं? एट लास्ट. First thing, the diameter of a moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of Earth. Now solve question. इस क्वेश्चन पे हम सपोज क्या करेंगे, डायमीटर ऑफ मून इज 1/4 ऑफ डायमीटर ऑफ अर्थ. तो सपोज डायमीटर ऑफ द अर्थ, लेट डायमीटर ऑफ अर्थ इज इक्वल्स टू d, then radius is equals to d upon 2. Diameter of moon is equals to d upon 4. Then radius is equals to, radius of moon is equals to d upon 8. अगर diameter of earth d है तो diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth, d upon 4. If radius diameter is equals to d, then radius is equals to half of diameter. First find the volume of moon. Volume of moon, no need to calculate this term. Then volume of earth, volume of earth निकल के आ जाएगा. Then find the ratio of moon upon volume of moon upon volume of earth. रेशियो पे क्या होता है कि 4/3 पाई क्या हो जाएंगे, कैंसिल, d कैंसिल. Then volume of moon is equals to 1/64 into volume of earth. Clear? Now today you solve exercise 13.8, question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th.